Hello and welcome back, children. My name is Vandana, and we are going to do your favorite Acknowledge series by Amit Publishing House. This is a book for Let's Click, a trendy way to learn computers. And today we are going to do your last chapter, that is chapter 8, Evolution of AI. Yes, we are very familiar with the word AI. It's growing nowadays much. So, what is the full form of AI? AI means artificial intelligence. So, we are going to learn how AI came into evolution. So, how AI was made, how people thought of taking out AI from, and how AI is helping us. So, let's start with the chapter. In this chapter, we are going to learn about 1950s, 1960s, 1970s, 2000, 2007s to 2000s to present. So, how AI worked in all these years. So, we are going to learn about this. Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, in the short form, we can say AI, is the ability of a machine to think and learn. So, as we can think and learn, we can feel. Same way, scientists are developing day by day, and they have created artificial intelligence which can think and learn. Since many years, scientists have been trying to make machines artificially intelligent, that is close to human intelligence. So, scientists are making machines that can take over humans and can take place of humans. So in 1950s, how it happened, what all was done, we are going to read. Okay, in this we can see very so many pictures are there, so many faces are there, and their name are also given. In this decade means 10 years. Okay, so in this decade, two major contributions were observed. Two things were done. What were they? In 1915, Alan Turing submitted a paper about the possibility of creating a machine that would think. So he made a machine that would think, that can think. This became a test for machines to check their thinking capability. So by the invention of Alan Turing, he is Alan Turing. By his invention, he thought of making a machine that can think. Suppose anything is given and the machine can think accordingly. Okay. One of the greatest achievement by Alan Turing is the creation of Bombi, a machine that could decode encoded messages. So messages are given that are protected, and the machine was to decode the message. Means it was to decode that password or the message that was given, and to so that we can easily understand that message. The password can be removed. That is called decoding. Okay, 1956, John McCarthy, here is, coined the term artificial intelligence in the conference. So in a conference, he used this term and he created a programming language called Lisp in 1958, which was extensively used for programming AI. So he created a programming language through which AI systems can work. He is also known as father of AI. So he is the father of AI? Yes, John McCarthy. Okay. Next, in 1960s, after 10 years from Alan Turing and John McCarthy, what happened? In this decade, the first chatbot Eliza was created in MIT Artificial Intelligence Laboratory. So, in this lab, first chatbox was made, and the name of the chatbox was Eliza by Joseph Weizenbaum. So, here is a picture of him, and he created this Eliza. What was the use of this? It was a chat box, like we do chatting in WhatsApp and other social networkings. In 1970s, what happened? In 1970s, Webot was created by Ichiro Kato. So here's the picture of him. This was the first step towards building a humanoid robot. So what he made? He made a humanoid robot, a robot that looks like a human. So here is Wabot, the creation that was made by Ichiro Kato. Okay. Wabot walked with his lower limbs and was able to grip and transport objects with his hands. So this Wabot was made, and what was it doing? It used to use his hands, lower limbs, okay, legs also, and was able to grip. It can grip anything and also can transport objects. Objects can be transported from one place to another by this Wabot. Okay. In 1984, Wabot 2 was created by Waseda University. So this university created the second version of this Wabot. Okay, here it is. It was the successor of Wabot 1. It was capable of playing a piano. So this Wabot was able to play a piano also. Okay. In this period, Deep Blue was created by IBM. IBM is our international business machine, a company that makes computers. So what it did, it made Deep Blue. It defeated the chess grandmaster Gary Kasparov. So here is Deep Blue. Deep Blue is here, and it defeated the chess grandmaster at that time in 1997. So these all were the inventions, and now we are going to learn about the inventions that were made in 2000s and after that. In 2000s, AI technology was successfully established with many successful attempts. So scientists, they do not sit idle, they keep on inventing something or the other, and by a successful attempt of the AI technology, Kismet, a robot developed by Professor Cynthia Briazil. So this is a picture of her, and she created this robot Kismet, and who was able to copy human emotions with their face. So if we are crying, it copied our emotions. If we are laughing, it copied our emotions. So it copied the emotions of we humans. Okay. Honda is a well-known company. It released Asimo, an artificial humanoid robot, in 2000. So Honda was also not back. It also created this robot. Here we can see the name is written Honda. And the name of this humanoid robot was Asimo. It can walk, recognize faces, and use its arms like human beings. See, we can see that it is using its arms, and it is doing all the work that humans are doing. ASIMO stands for Advanced Step in Innovation Mobility. So this is the full form of this robot, Advanced Step in Innovation Mobility. In 2002, iRobot released Roomba. So iRobot is a company which released a robot that is Roomba, an autonomous robot vacuum cleaner that cleans and is able to avoid crashing into obstacles. So here is a picture of Roomba, and what was the use of this? It was a vacuum cleaner, and if there is any obstacle in between, so it would not collide or would not crash to that obstacle. It changed its position from there and used to clean the room. So it was also a very good invention by a scientist. Okay. NASA's Mars exploration mission in 2004 was a robotic mission space mission. So NASA was also not back. It also applied in 2004. It made a robotic space mission involving 2 Mars rovers, and the name was Spirit and Opportunity. These were the robots that were made to explore planet Mars. So Mars was explored by these two robots. Okay, so here is a picture of these two robots given here. Like now we did, India made Chandrayaan and it was landed on the south pole of the moon. So next, so after learning so much, let's come to the workout session. Name the humanoid created by Ichiro Kato in 1974. So the name of the humanoid is Babot. Name the artificial humanoid released by Honda in 2000. The name is Asimo. So these were the answer of these questions. Now let's come to the next page. Okay. In 2000s to present. So in present, what all inventions were made by the scientists, our great scientists? This era is a revolution in the field of artificial intelligence. In this, many scientists tried many new things and it brought a revolution in the field of artificial intelligence with many developments. Microsoft launched Kinect for Xbox 30, the first gaming device that tracked human movements using 3D camera and infrared detection. So this is Xbox 360, which was used for playing games, and it can track human movements where the human is moving by using its 3D camera and also the infrared detection. After this, Apple is a well-known company, released voice assistants, and the name of the voice assistant is Siri in 2011. It used the natural language user interface to infer, observe, answer and give recommendations to the user. So Siri was also very useful. Microsoft Corporation released Cortana in 2014, as we have learned about Cortana. Okay, so Microsoft released Cortana in 2014, a virtual assistant similar to Siri. It was similar to Siri. In 2014, Amazon created Alexa, a home assistant that is a smart speaker functioning as a personal assistant. So this is also famous. Alexa is also very famous nowadays, and it was created by Amazon, and it is a smart speaker functioning as a personal assistant. It acts as a personal assistant. So this is our Alexa. Next is Google developed a driverless car in 2009, and by 2014 it launched the first car. So Google was also not bad. It also developed a driverless car, a car in which there is no driver. In 2000 it developed, but by 2014 it launched its first car. The self-driving car uses a combination of sensors, cameras, and AI to travel between destinations without human help. So this is the car that was developed by Google, and it used sensors, cameras and AIs to travel from one place to another and without any human help. Okay, now coming on to 2016, what happened in 2016? David Hansen created a humanoid named Sophia. She can copy human gestures and facial expressions. So this is Sophia, and she could copy humans very quickly. She can copy human gestures, whatever face expressions are there on their face, and whatever hand movements or other things the humans are doing, she can copy all those very well. Okay. Next is Google again released Google Home in 2016. It uses AI to act as a personal assistant, helping the user remember tasks, create appointments, and search for information by voice. So what all task was done by Google Home? It was introduced in 2016 by Google, and it helps in remembering tasks. Whatever task I have to do, I can feed on my Google Home and it will tell me about the task. We can also create appointments. Whatever appointments are, we can put on that, and we can also search information by voice using the Google Home. Artificial intelligence has evolved many folds, as we have read in the chapter. AI technology is still evolving by each passing day, and we might see more inventions as the technology progresses. So artificial intelligence is not going to get over, it is not going to stop, it will keep on evolving each day. As each day is passing, it is going to evolve more and more, and we can see more inventions as the technology progresses. Okay, so we have completed a chapter artificial intelligence. Now we are going to do some book exercises. So let's begin with the first exercise, that is take the correct option. So first question is, when was LISP created? When was it created? It was created in 1958. Okay. Who defeated the chess grandmaster Gary? So who defeated it? Deep Blue. Deep Blue was a robot, and it defeated the chess grandmaster Gary. Okay. Which of the following is a virtual assistant developed by Microsoft Corporation? Microsoft Corporation developed what? Yes, it developed Cortana, that we are doing in our Windows 10. Okay. Which company launched a driverless car in 2014? So obviously the company is Google. Google launched a driverless car in 2014, which did not need any help of the humans. Okay. Next is fill in the blanks. Dash is the ability of a machine to think and learn. Dash is the ability of a machine to think and learn. What is the ability called? The ability is called AI, means artificial intelligence. So artificial intelligence is the ability that helps the machine to think and learn. Okay, who is known as the father of AI? So the correct answer is, during 1961 to 70, the first chatbot Eliza was created by, yes, MIT Institute. MIT Institute. Okay. Next, in 2016, David Hanson created a humanoid name. What was the name of the humanoid that was created in 2016? It was Sophia. Sophia. Okay. Now let's come to true and false. Roomba is a robot used for space exploration. No, it is a vacuum cleaner. Kismet was developed in year 2000. Yes, it is correct. Okay. Apple released voice assistant Siri in 2012. False. Intelligence is the technology which makes machine perform tasks. Yes, it is true. By intelligence is a technology by which machine can perform different tasks. So these were the answers. Okay. Next question is, what is AI? So AI is the ability of a machine to think and learn. Okay. Next is, who is Alan Turing? Who was Alan Turing? Yes, Alan Turing was the first scientist who made papers that can think. Yes, he wanted to make machines that can think. So he made all the possibilities to make a machine that can think like humans. We humans do. What is Roomba? Okay, Roomba is a autonomous vacuum cleaner that can clean our room without colliding to any of the surfaces. Okay, write a note on Sophia. So Sophia is a humanoid, and It can copy human emotions and the gestures, their facial expressions can be copied by Sophia, and it was developed by David Hans. So, students, this was all for today. Hope you have enjoyed our lessons. Today's lessons was hope you have learned many new things about AI, what all was done from the previous time. Scientists are working for all these artificial intelligence, and they are succeeding day by day, and it is not going to stop. AI is not going to stop. Scientists are going to make many more new things that are going to overtake humans. I think it will overtake humans one day. So, hope you have understood the chapter. Hope you have completed the book exercise. If you have any queries related to the chapter or any of the chapters, you can ask me. So, till then, stay elated for our next video. Thank you.